Copying formulas in Excel is a very common thing. And luckily for us, when you copy paste a formula, depending on where you put the dollar sign, the range will update with the formula. But in some cases, you want to copy paste a formula, but you want still to refer to the old range that you have. And this could be problematic. You have several ways to do this, but I'm going to teach you in this video a very nice way that is very easy, very safe to do, and will avoid you time and error. If you see in this data set, I have here data 1 minus data 2, data 2 minus data 3, and so on. And here we have a division. So the formulas are not straight drag or copy paste. You can see that if I drag them, it's not going to give me the right result. And also, if you want to, let's say, copy paste this formula here, put it down, you can tell me that you can use the dollar sign. But the problem is that if I do this and put it down, and I use the dollar sign here and copy paste it, I'm not going to get anything correct. It's not going to work. The other way you could do this is you click on your formula, you just go on the formula bar, then you copy it, then you go here, you paste it, and then you can drag it down, right? So you can do this for this case, you can do it for this case. You see you can get minus 68 and drag them down, but the problem is you cannot do it for this case. You'll have to copy this formula and do the same step. And sometimes you have different formulas in different cells, so you might make some errors. So I'm going to teach you how to do this in like literally 10 seconds. So first we're going to delete this data. Then what we're going to do is select this data, do Control and H, and then here we're going to put equal and replace this equal with any word you want that is not in the formula. So I'm going to call it, for example, word. We replace all. As you can see, everything is starting with word. Then we copy paste everything. We paste it here. Then we select everything. We do Control H. We take word, we put it here, and we put equal here. So we do the reverse. We replace back the word with equal. You do replace all, and as you can see, your formula is copy pasted to another range.